Welcome to week 7, the Old Testament Survey 2. We are 2 weeks away from the end of class, just this week and next week, and then we're done. So everyone, good work so far, and keep up the hard work you've been putting in. One important announcement for next week is keep in mind that class ends on Thursday next week. That is the 15th of October. So make sure that you are planning and making plans to make sure that you are able to get everything turned in on time on Thursday of next week. This week we're dealing with Song of Songs and Proverbs, and with Proverbs we're dealing specifically with the issue and the question of what is wisdom. When you're looking at wisdom for this discussion board this week, of course you want to pay close attention to your reading, the required reading. That'll help you along. But remember, you're going to be defining wisdom from a biblical perspective based on the book of Proverbs. So that means you want to perhaps put aside any ideas or thoughts you have about wisdom that you have preconceived going in. Let the book of Proverbs teach you about wisdom. Of course, you're going to be picking up some things from your reading, and you want to take that with you. But don't assume about wisdom. Go in to try to discover what Proverbs does reveal about wisdom. This week, as much as any other week, it's very important that you are able to point to specific verses that support your position. And that means in Proverbs. Stick with Proverbs on this discussion board, not fight the temptation to move out into other books. Let's just stick with Proverbs. Same with Song of Songs. And this week we're going to be dealing with, in the discussion board, how do we interpret the Song of Songs. This is a book that's been highly controversial throughout history. And there have been many different approaches. Your textbook reading will help you, and it'll show you the different interpretive approaches that have been embraced and argued for throughout church history. Your job is to take a position and defend it on which is the best way. Make sure that when you are defending it, you don't go with just your feelings. You need to go from evidence from the biblical text. So that's what I'll be looking for this week, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have.